Hello, I'm making a quick video on the spark plugs that you should be using in your 1995 Toyota 4Runner with the 3.0 V6. I just found out, and I didn't know, found out today from one of my coworkers that I should not be running these ridium platinum plugs in my 4Runner. I don't know if you can see, but you can see how far the gap is and how it's been burning, and and if you can tell, here's the OEM copper, and these are the V powered copper NGKs, and they come pre-gapped at 32. So you can see, oh, I'm sorry, hang on 1 second, set this back up. But you can see the difference in the gaps. This is gapped way too far out, and this is where the OEM factory should be, is around 32. Yeah, so I was getting misfiring. So it was misfiring a lot, and it was alternating from each cylinders. So sometimes one cylinder will be fine and the other cylinders will start misfiring, but it seemed like it was alternating all the time, especially if one was burning hotter than the other. As you can tell, this was all black, so it's making it run rich as well, making the computer also tell it to run rich. Anyways, I thought I'd make this quick little video. So yeah, if you have a 1995 Toyota 4Runner with a 3.0 V6, always use the NGK, and make sure, use the NGK copper, and make sure the gap is set at 32. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.